It's giving spicy. It's giving real spicy, and I'm real spicy because, you know, I'm a Virgo.
It's not that I don't want you here.
Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Crystal, and if you're a returning subscriber, hey girl. Y'all, let me tell y'all about this unit. Okay, your girl, I'm loving this unit. I am sorry. It's the colors for me. It is the color for me. Like, tell me, girl, whoever made this, whoever thought of this, put this color combination in here, you the truth. This unit was sent to me by DACS Boutique. Thank you so much for sending me this unit to review. It is a unit from Sis Sister Wig, and I got this in Pali, I don't know, child. But the color is Black Fire. So this is the stock card. This is the stock card. Okay, it also comes in different colors, but I got the Black Fire because y'all gonna remember this unit. Okay, the texture is so soft. I'm getting very little tangling. I did get some shedding after I like took my combs out in my ponytail holder. I did get some shedding, not a whole lot. I don't think it was a whole lot. So I love the layers that they have in it. I believe this is 22 inches. Let me stand up so you guys can see the whole entire length of it. So it goes like pretty far. So the length is pretty long, and I love all the layers that it already has in it. I did not cut anything. All I did was melt my lace, cut some baby hairs, and that was it. I did flatten the top just a little bit, just because it was a little bit too poofy for my liking. But I don't know, I kind of do want to cut maybe a few layers in here, but I'm not gonna do it right now. But I do kind of want to cut some layers in it. There is only the part, how the part is on this unit, that is the only way you can wear it. There's no other lace on it, and it has very, very minimal lace along the edges. So it is a HD front lace, and you can put heat up to 400 degrees on this unit. I didn't put that much heat on it, so I just did enough just to flatten the top a little bit. But baby, you want to get to know me? Okay, that's how I feel about this. Like, it's giving a little spicy. It's giving spicy. It's giving real spicy, and I'm real spicy because, you know, I'm a Virgo, so I can be a tad bit spicy. But honey, comment down below. Let me know how you are feeling this unit, girl. And please visit my friends at DACS Boutique if you are interested in this unit. I will leave the link below so you can get one, honey, because this is very much giving. Okay, this is very much giving. If I didn't work in a dental office, baby, I will be wearing this, okay, every day until the hair can no longer be worn. So that is the end of this review. And honey, look at these colors. Look at it. Yes, like it understood the assignment, okay? And I understood the assignment when I laid it, okay? Because honey, you can't tell me I'm not cute right now. You cannot tell me I am not cute, because your girl is cute, okay? But thank you for watching this video. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, after you have subscribed, make sure you turn on your post notifications so you will be notified the next time I drop another video. And comment down below, let me know how this unit looks. Let me know if you are going to get it. Like, tell me, girl, talk to me. And also, please make sure you do share this video, because I am trying to get my algorithm up. I'm on the road to 1K. I am trying to hit 1K before my birthday. That will be my special birthday gift from you guys. So help a sister out. Y'all got like 20 something days. Like, no, y'all got more than 20 days. My birthday is the 22nd of September. So y'all got a good little bit. So until the next time, bye.